The coast of Cornwall is well known for its magnificent landscapes and rich culture. And over the course of the summer, thousands flock to the county to experience the beauty firsthand. But having an influx of visitors to the county has its own kind of impact on the landscape. A surge of plastic waste damages the coastline of Cornwall every summer, with a combination of waste on land and in the water. And this increase of marine plastic pollution sparked a call for help. And that's where Our Only World comes into place. My name is Tina Robinson and I'm founder of Our Only World. Our Only World is a registered charity and we're concerned with raising awareness and reducing marine plastic pollution. My husband and I are both scuba divers, but I should say, although it's probably obvious, we were scuba divers. And I would love for my grandchildren to see the incredible sights that we saw and in an ocean free of plastic. We're on the brink of manufacturing water refill units in the UK, using a local supply chain from Exeter to Callington and using recycled fishing nets collected off our beaches in the outer casing. We've been successful with funding from Cornwall Council for 15 sites around Cornwall and funding from Neptune for 5 units. This will give us lots of opportunities to collaborate with communities who are interested in improving their local area.